Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey. I am a pediatric physical therapist. I'm here with Alexis Sanderson, who would like to get this activity started. She is ready to play this game. Again, I have her on the ball. This is again let's see, it says a 65 centimeter or a 25-inch ball, and it is the perfect height for her because she can sit on it and her feet can be on the floor. One of the games I play on this are sit-ups, so I lean her back. I have her weight bearing on my, oh goodness, get down, go back to sleep. Goodness gracious. And I lean her back and let her sit up. Don't get that baby, don't wake that baby up, he's going to sleep. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. You ready? Oh, goodness gracious, go back to sleep. An easily activated toy in front makes this game easy and fun to just get sit-ups. What? Don't you wake up that baby. Don't you do it. Oh, right, you waking up my baby. Go to sleep. One more. The further I bring her back, obviously, the harder this is. I'm going to have her way back this time, and up she goes. And I just use my arms. What are you doing waking up my baby? Oh, goodness gracious. I try to get back far enough so that her head is not supported by me, because then I can become a couch and very comfortable. I have my elbows in so they are supporting her trunk. What are you doing? I'm going to close this up one more time. Now, do not get that. I'm going to lean you way back here. Uh-oh, Alexis, what are you doing? Do not even think about it. Alexis! I hope this is a fun game that you can do with your child at home, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye. If you liked this video and would like to be notified by email when the next video comes out, click the subscribe button here and click the golden bell icon and ensure notifications are enabled on your account.